If you want to make money online in 2026, the problem is not a lack of options. The problem is that most advice is either unrealistic, scammy, or way too complicated. So in this video, I'm giving you a simple plan to make your first $100 without fancy tools, without a big audience, and without pretending you'll get rich overnight. Here's the rule. Your first $100 is not about passive income. It's about proving you can exchange value for money. Once you can do that once, you can repeat it and scale. I'm going to give you 5 beginner-friendly methods. And for each one, what it is, who it's for, exactly how to start in one day, and the fastest way to get your first customer. Let's start with the easiest one. Method 1. Local services. This is the fastest path to your first $100 because people already spend money on convenience. And you don't need a special skill. You're selling a clear outcome. Examples: trash bin cleanup, basic yard work, window cleaning, car interior cleaning, simple furniture assembly, errands for seniors, or helping someone move small stuff. The key is to package it as a fixed offer. Not "I can help," but "I'll do X for Y dollars." For example, "I'll clean your car interior for $40. I'll clean 2 windows and the front door glass for $35. I'll assemble an IKEA chair or small desk for $50. How to get customers fast: next door, local Facebook groups, and simple word of mouth. Post a short message with 3 things: the offer, the price, and your availability. Here's a template you can copy. "Hi neighbors, I'm offering service. Flat rate, $_. Available this weekend. Message me if you want a slot." Do not write a long essay. People scroll. And one more important rule: take before and after photos. That becomes your proof. Proof sells. Method 2. UGC, user-generated content for small brands. This is one of the best 2026 side hustles because brands need short videos, but you don't need a following to get paid. You're not trying to become an influencer. You're basically creating ads and product demos. You can start with your phone, good lighting near a window, and free editing apps. What do you actually deliver? 3 to 5 short videos, 10 to 25 seconds each. If you don't know what to film, here are simple formats: unboxing, 3 benefits, before and after, how to use, and why I switched. How to get your first client. Start local. Find 20 small businesses in your area: coffee shops, gyms, skincare, barbers, restaurants. Then send a short message. Template: "Hey, I'm a UGC creator. I can make 3 short videos for your Instagram/TikTok ads this week. If you want, I can send 1 free sample concept." You're offering a low-friction next step. And once you have 1 paid job, you have a portfolio. Method 3. Simple Canva design for local businesses. You don't need to be a designer. You need to solve a business problem. Local businesses constantly need menus, flyers, Instagram posts, price lists, and event posters. What you sell is speed and clarity. New menu design in 24 hours. 10 Instagram posts for your business this week. How to start today. Create 3 sample designs in Canva. 1 menu, 1 flyer, 1 Instagram post. Then offer a starter package. Example pricing: $40 to $80 for a small pack, depending on your market. Your goal is the first $100, not perfection. Where to find clients? Again, local Facebook groups, Instagram DMs, and even walking into a local place and showing your samples on your phone. Method 4. Reselling, simple flipping. This is not glamorous, but it works. The rule is: buy low, sell quickly. Don't buy projects. Buy items that people search for every day. Best beginner categories: small furniture, desk chairs, monitors, baby items, small kitchen appliances, and sports equipment. Where to source: Facebook Marketplace, garage sales, thrift stores, and clearance sections. Where to sell: Facebook Marketplace first. It's fast. The key to winning here is not luck. It's speed and presentation, clean photos, clear title, and honest description. Example: office chair, good condition, $40, pick up today. If you can flip just 2 or 3 items, you can hit your first $100. Method 5. A tiny digital product. This is the most online option. It's slower at first, but it can scale later. A digital product is something simple like a budget tracker, a meal planner, a workout schedule, a job application tracker, or a simple checklist. The secret is not creativity. The secret is usefulness. How to start: make one template in Google Sheets or Notion. Keep it clean. Then list it on Etsy or Gumroad. But here's the honest part. Digital products usually don't sell instantly unless you already have traffic. So I recommend this as a build-in-the-background method while you do one of the faster methods for cash. Now, I want to give you the simplest 7-day plan to actually get results. Day 1. Pick one method, only one. Don't research for a week. Choose. Day 2. Create proof. One sample. One before-after. One simple portfolio page. Even a Google Drive folder works. Day 3. Message 20 people. If you're doing local services, post in 2 local groups. If you're doing UGC, DM 20 small brands. If you're doing Canva, DM 20 businesses with your sample. Day 4. Follow up. Most beginners fail because they never follow up. A simple, "Hey, just checking if you want me to do this week," works. Day 5. Do the job fast and over-deliver slightly, not by spending double the time, but by being reliable, on time, clear communication, clean result. Day 6. Ask for a review. A screenshot testimonial is gold. Day 7. Repeat and raise the price slightly. That's it. And here's the mindset that keeps this honest. Your first $100 is not about becoming rich. It's about becoming sellable. If you want, comment 2 things: how many hours per week you can do, and which method you want to try. And I'll tell you the simplest version of that method for your situation. And if you want a part 2, I can do. How to turn the first $100 into $500 a month without burnout.